what's up? Did you guys see anything? So, hi, I got my Labubu, and let's get to it. Oop, it flipped upside down, sorry. Stop that crumbling. Stop that crumbling right now. Stop it right now. Wait. Stop it right now. Stop it. Look at me.
Wait, are you putting it on me?
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Okay, let me just zoom out. La boo boo, la boo boo, la boo boo, la boo. Oh yeah. Look at those dogs. Look at those mouths. Wait, guys. Hi, my name is Gus, and I have a beautiful fish. Okay. Hold on 1 second. La Booba. Earlier I was screaming La Boo. Okay? Hey, what's up? I'm ready. Wait, I'm gonna make an egg out of this. Wait, no.
Yeah, bro, I'm feeling like a bro, feel
Wait.
like a tow truck, yo.
Yeah, that's good. I'll film it separately and put it in. Wait, no, like.
Look at that motorcycle behind me.
Behind? Wait, no. Wait, no. Yeah, that one is good. And guys, I just wanted to be a short one. This was only like 4 minutes, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.